Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today, we are going to discuss about agile manufacturing, its methods, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's get started. Agile manufacturing is like a factory that can quickly adapt to changing customer needs. Instead of making a huge batch of one product and hoping people buy it, agile factories make smaller batches and can easily switch to making something different if customers want it. This way, they can keep up with trends and give customers what they want when they want it. For example, imagine a shoe company that normally makes running shoes. Suddenly, a new fashion trend makes everyone want platform sneakers. An agile shoe company can quickly switch its production line to make these new sneakers instead, without wasting a lot of materials or time. This way, they can meet the new demand and stay ahead of their competitors. Now, we are going to talk about the methods of agile manufacturing. 1. Rapid prototyping. It is like creating a quick sketch of a product. Instead of drawing on paper, we use computers to design it and then create a physical model. This helps us see if our design works and make changes quickly. 2. Rapid tooling. It is like building a mold really fast. This mold can be used to make many copies of a product. By making molds quickly, we can start producing products sooner. 3. Reverse engineering. It is like taking apart a toy to see how it works. We study the existing products to understand their design and then use that knowledge to create new or improved products. Let's talk about advantages. 1. Faster response. Agile marketing helps businesses react quickly to changes in the market, like new trends or customer needs. 2. Better customer focus. It allows businesses to understand and respond to customer needs more effectively. 3. More efficient use of resources. Agile marketing helps businesses use their time, money, and people in a smarter way. 4. Higher quality work. By working in smaller, focused teams, businesses can produce better quality marketing materials. 5. Improved collaboration. Agile marketing encourages teamwork and better communication between different teams. Let's talk about disadvantages. 1. Less predictability. Agile marketing can be less predictable than traditional methods, making it harder to plan long-term strategies. 2. Requires strong teamwork. It needs strong teamwork and constant communication, which can be challenging to maintain, especially in large teams. 3. More time-consuming. The iterative approach can be more time-consuming in the short term, as it involves frequent reviews and adjustments. 4. Potential for scope creep. Without careful planning, projects can expand beyond their original scope. 5. Requires experienced teams. Agile marketing requires skilled teams who can adapt quickly to changes and work efficiently in a flexible environment.